Are we live? Alive. Oh, on. Whatever you want to regard it as. I think we are. Okay. So essentially, as a break, I was searching through all those files that we had, and I found one that I would like, just costume event. I think costume also has color, so I should have done that. But I'll go to the Rust library and event. And if you look over here, this is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for essentially. So let's implement that inside. First we're gonna get these specific stuff. How the costume actually works is they have, let me actually show you how it works real quick. Okay. Now let's essentially run. And you can move it around because I specifically put in the code to move it. But I could actually put over here, event. And I'll show you the event that we have. So that's this. Code, write, all that. You could use like command. It doesn't work in this. Yeah, command makes it crash. So we can't use command. But if we use control, it is able to detect events. And don't mind the fact that it's all tabbed up like that. That'll basically just disappear if we move that. But we can move this code and put it inside. So I'm gonna take this out. Then we need costume cursor. Do we? Yes. And we'll have to use the execute function that actually executes whatever we put in there. So these two are both for cursors. We already have a loop, so it's pretty good. And then, actually, I'm going to take it the easy way. I'm just going to copy this entire code, put it in. And I'm totally going to ignore if it's a control. So we're ignoring all of these, essentially. And if we run this program, two mains. I think this is unnecessary. Hopefully. And okay, this std time duration. Okay, where the heck is the question mark? Okay, then what should we do? I don't get this. Oh, I think it just like returns an. Probably what the question mark does is it returns an error if it fails. So could we put a question mark onto here? Essentially, that's what my question is. Could we just tag on a question mark? Could we just hide it? Maybe here we could put okay rather than question mark. Let's essentially look at what I had earlier. So here, oh, that's why. You put in this arrow. So let's re-put all this code in. Maybe I'll have to do that, like while it's reading. Could we like do essentially break value? I don't think we can do break value, yeah. Because we need a value. Let's just break 0. Could we do that? Maybe there's like a result, no error. You know? I want to say okay. So maybe we could check if the modifier is okay. And I don't know. Check if the event itself is okay. I wish we could just say 1, like specifically. That work? Okay. So I get what the problem is. Sorry, I'm like putting it out like this. maybe, cause okay, so I'm guessing that the cargo gun only works like yeah. What if we completely removed that? So maybe print the event. There's never an event. Technical difficulties. Is it like with the code itself? No, it hasn't. Okay. Then maybe we could put a 2 over here. It never goes to 2. Maybe we could completely remove the pole. Maybe prints out the event. So actually, let's check an event. So it always needs like 1. For now, I'll move these comments. Sometime. But I'm back, and in the meanwhile, I actually discovered that you could do these block stuff. And I basically reinvented the wheel. So I reinvented backspace, enter, tab, and if you run cargo, you can create a simple main program. The only problem is it automatically creates a tab, which I do not like, but we'll fix that. Anyways, we were able to create that. I obviously didn't include the stdio, but I did that on purpose. Let's put that in. And yeah, we essentially have a basic program. We obviously don't have syntax highlighting. We'll work on that later. But essentially we have a basic program. And that's all that matters. So now that we have all this, there's a couple things we still need to work on. For example, if we go here, it overwrites the character. We don't want that. We want it to be like, like that. Also, I handmade that backspace using Unix codes. So that's why I won't honestly perhaps be the best. You know? maybe one thing I'll do is like if we like keep on going left, then it should move to the end of the previous line. Right. The problem is rather than considering all of this as like actual code, you can pretty much go anywhere. Like here, and I'm not making spaces. I'm literally moving the cursor. So that's a problem. So we need to have sort of bounds to where the user can go. So maybe we could get the user's position, the cursor's position. How do you do that? Get cursor. Actually, no. Maybe I could go here. Is that how you could do it? Get position in costume. Now I want to get it. I don't want to set it. I want to get it so that we could add bounds. Or maybe I think what we could do is save and then restart. But at the same time, wouldn't that be like... Actually, no. Might as well save and restart. What's the problem with that? I don't think there's any problem with that. Save position. Does it return an int? It returns an int. Oh, okay, that's pretty handy dandy. So we have the integer that it's in, which is basically an i32. So we can initialize that as an i32. First we've gone left. i32 position is equal to that. Maybe you could go into the cursor. Oh, everything in the cursor is included. So maybe you should do like, maybe I'll just print the position. Just print the position to see where we are. You know? This is a testing program. Oh, it's a let. You don't even have to worry about data types. I forgot this is so easy. Okay, so it's directly from costume. So it's directly, okay. So I'll just put that in. Cargo run. What? Does that exist? Okay, I think this is essentially like... Okay, Rust doesn't allow... I thought Rust was supposed to be underscores, right? What the fuck are you doing? So maybe it's costume save position. Wait, it's saying it's a struct though. So like, would you just instantiate that struct? Okay, we already include cases, so I'd expect it to automatically. We could use some like save position of Kusu. That would be okay. That would cause more errors of like. Yes, we are. Okay. Yeah, I know. That's the thing I'm confused on. Um. This is a struct. So do we need like a function? Or do we just initialize? Or do we just initialize a struct? And then like will it automatically construct my position? No, it doesn't. Okay. So then what the heck is that for? It was like a function that goes with it. Probably. Get costume position. Okay, I keep on getting any of all these stuff, but I think this looks legit. I think it might actually be legit. Well, actually, like, cargo run. Yeah, it actually shows its position. Now is this like, do we get like the first, like, is this an array or is this more of like an XY type of thing? Like a result? Okay, what? It's pretty confusing how they put it in a result. So if you get out index, and then like, okay, so I think you get like position dot t is, wait, what? Wait, is that how that works? Like, is that essentially how you do that? Or am I just coding wrong? Okay, I'm probably coding wrong. This is structure? I don't want it to be structure. Okay, we have to put a quote mark around that. Just do it like that. Expected one you know what? Just position 1. So print position 1. Where are we? Okay. So maybe this is like a tuple. Like we'd have to do it like that. Do we? Do we have to do it like that? This is mad at me. Look, the question nonetheless is how do I access it? So do we get in? do we see like result, and we put it around like this? Okay, so we got the position. That's what we got. But we don't know how to access, like, maybe check the OK function in Rust. In Rust, right? Righty, in Rust. Maybe it's like XY. Okay, I'm essentially doing trial error right now. Just guessing my way through this. Don't mind me. Okay, returns a result, I believe, right? So technically, we could call this a result. Could we call this a result, or do we have to call it an OK? Okay. Could we then access that key and use it like an we cannot. Okay. Well, let X, Y. And then could we like print X and it can tell us. Okay, but I don't want to like constant. I want to like change it. You know what I'm talking about? I want to be like if it's a constant, then it's staying the same. Like, will the X and Y change? Maybe we could just call it an OK. Oh, the variance. Oh, it's an E. Okay. Call result. T E. Maybe what's funny is maybe we could access like put in 5 and 4. Okay. Let's forget about the types, will we? Just ignore the type. Live a life. No. X, Y. Maybe we'll hit a question mark after that. And our syntax is very confusing. It's easy but confusing. I don't know how to say that. I don't know how to describe that. Maybe I could like reverse the order. You know what I'm talking about? The arguments on one side. If it doesn't want that, could we just remove that? If I put like, if we need the big hidden if, and we expected U16 comma, if it's a tuple, could we access a tuple? So accessing a tuple in Rust, if essentially U16 should be able to access that tuple, right? Give me the first element. Can we get the first element? Is it impossible to get the first element of tuple? Is it impossible? I think so. Like, it's the point where it's like you can't edit it. Like, it's a constant array. Okay, do dot? So you could do like position1.0. That sounds like it would be normal, but like no field 0. But according to that, it's U16. So maybe we could literally do X comma Y. And we got the X. If X is equal to 1, how about we just, for now, we move to 1010. I don't know why. Let's just check this out. Check this out, will ya? See, works like a charm. Works like a charm. Ha 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 ha. Okay. So we've been streaming for we've been there for 20 minutes, and we already are able to do a lot of stuff. Large updates. So now we could int and main. Yeah, we can write stuff, and it's way better. We have shortcuts. We have No way. No way. Well, now what we want to do is there a way to get the length of that element? I'm just gonna go to 10. Printf hello. And if I keep on going, okay, keep on going in a loop because we want y minus 1. Haha, very funny, making a mistake and laughing at yourself. See? Obviously the 10 isn't the correct x, but I don't know how to find the length of it necessarily. Or maybe if we kept every line no, you can't do that because now we're doing this. Actually, we could still do that. So if we take updated string, alright, we have updated string here. For what? To keep track, to keep track. So we gotta modify updated string. So I'm gonna add a new line, and here I'm gonna add a tab. And here I'm gonna make it multi-line. We can't do it in a single line anymore. Now we have to change updated and add. Could you add a character directly into it, or do you need a conversion function? Okay, I'm too used to this. X equals 199. Okay, fix that. We're in Rust, not C, so yeah, that's what I was thinking. So maybe we could convert char to string in Rust is a conversion function. Dot to string. I know, but like I don't know if that would work for like characters. That does work for characters. Okay, nice to know. Nice to know. I'm back again. And I wanted to quickly use the dot to string function. Cargo run. And yeah. Now one thing I'm working on is we turn the updated string into an array. And then each line is its own array. So when the user essentially keeps on going left, we can take the length of the last line and put them at that X position. That's what I'm thinking here. Now I know this right now won't run. I'm just like seeing if the array actually worked. Yeah. And so the first one I'm gonna have a line. I want to say maybe let mutable updated string index. And so whenever we add something to updated string, so 3 times they happen, here I'm gonna add this specifically to the updated string index and here. But here I'm not gonna add anything. I'm just gonna add 1 to the index. Right. So that when we go left, I can right now print the string of the previous item. And so there's no plus. Okay. C. And if you go left, it says in main. That's the string. So all we need to do is get the length of a string in Rust. And how do you do that? You do dot count. Okay. So essentially what we need to do is this. That should make it work. No, there is no count. We do dot len. Mismatched types. Okay, it's so cool. Rusting gives me like stuff to do. Like it's sort of nosy, but I would actually like it still knows a lot about the errors to happen. And if we keep on going back, it should be what? Oh, there's an additional tab that it gives for no reason. I think that's the problem. How about just remove that and make it normal? Wait. I'm just. What the heck happened? Okay, I reset it. Yeah, that happened. We went too far left. If the y is equal to 1, then we're actually gonna so we'll just do nothing. And also the problem is that we're doing another additional execute. So I'll just do okay, I still have to reset this all. And we could say okay, I have to make it exit at the I have to know the perfect time. Also put the random nonsense. And we'll keep on going. See, it ends right there. Back and so essentially okay. Now we can keep on going back. Oh, okay. One thing I have to work on is also when it goes like enter, you have to see. When I press enter, what you have to do is put the X back to the start. So maybe what I could do is take this code over here. So maybe execute a move to command. But not that long though. We're gonna be doing something a little different. So we're gonna take the Y. So now if we press enter, it should bring us back to the start. Boom. Also, I'm going to take another one of these statements. The very start, I don't like that additional tab it gives us. So I'm going to make sure it starts at 0, 0. Oh, not 0, 0. Let's actually do something very similar to what we do here. So we're just moving it to the start. So actually I think there's a terminal here. I might switch to that. That's what, see, now it starts over here. See, len is 1, but the index is 1. Oh. Okay. I don't know how to solve it necessarily. Oh. So it's only 1. It only has a length of 1. I don't like that. Could it, say string. How many lines do we want? 500? It's gonna need to allocate a lot of memory for this. Okay, could I just will it automatically define these? Yeah, I guess we'll just call it underscore x. Position 1. Oh, if it's not using this, remove that. And state, I'll just... Well, what I want to do is just initialize the first element. Wait, this way C is better than this. Instead of, you're going to just give it 500, and you'll automatically fill that in. Unless you don't have that type of freedom. Light. So just push this. Okay, but that'll not allow it to yeah, see? So I'm gonna initialize 500 and less. Is there a way not I don't wanna by hand. You can do that? Yes. So you could just put a colon and say 500. That is so good. Okay. What the heck? Why is it not satisfied? They didn't implement. You had one job. You seriously had one job. One job. We're just supposed to... Okay, I can run down. I can obviously right now. How? Why isn't it implemented? Maybe we use clone. Yeah, it still implements. feel like if I change this to an add still, all of my dreams would come true. Well, other than the fact that, yeah, other than that. But we could fix that. Okay, can you show me the line number? Show me the line number. Don't be shy. Okay, here we are. So you're gonna say string or let string to add. From all this we get a string. And we can convert string to add still in Rust. Yeah. How to do that? How to do that? Okay, do you just do add like okay. More 27. Okay, let's rerun this so we know the line number it is in now because I'm too lazy even though I see that. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see that. Let updated string. So I'm gonna keep it like similar to what we did here. Actually, it's literally the same code other than we have to do like that's already. Okay, just make this go on normal. Okay. Okay, let's make that mutable. So string to add mutable. That's better. Are you stupid? It's immutable. It's immutable. Okay. Okay, I don't even know what to say. What? Just, okay, I did it. Okay, you moron. You moron. What the f is this doing? So make it live longer. What am I supposed to do? What? It's supposed to live longer. This stupid compiler doesn't let us. What the fuck? Strings don't live. Rust needs to work on strings. What the fuck? Doesn't even live that long enough? You dead? Just use it. It's so confusing. What the fuck, Rust? What the fuck? See, if I was coding right now in C, I would have been done a long time ago. I would have just done strings 500 and left 2 decades ago. Rust just making everything unnecessarily hard. Don't make my mistake. Just don't make a mistake. Don't list. No. Get that out of your eyes. Nobody likes you. Okay, I guess the only option we have right now is to manually copy it. Get that away from your eyes. I hate you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll just allow 10 lines. Okay. Finally, if there's another, I'm gonna find out. Yeah, hide this. This is annoying. Yes. Wait. Okay. Now we need to do that exact same functionality for backspace. We're reinventing the wheel. Everything that ever be is being reinvented. I'm gonna make this 2 hours. Fuck this. I'm gonna make this 2 hours. So again, don't make my mistake. Don't learn last. But they say it's good, and then you said it's easy. Just don't. Please. Please. I'm trapped. I'm caught in this mess of useless behavior. Don't. If you're smart, don't do it. Dang it. Okay, it doesn't. I think it's 0 initialized. Is that the problem? It's 0 initialized. Okay. Yes. How about that? Huh? How about that? Huh? Can you do that? Can you do that? And see. Unless you're a Windows developer, Windows have it easy. When I was a Windows developer, I used to say Windows had it hard. But we have to run around like a head with the chicken with his head cut out. I said that a million times. To find all this stuff. In Windows, that's sort of built in. They have an entire header, right? They have Windows.h, but I think they also have Windows.h capital that does the console stuff necessarily. So console colors in C. You could also use NC obviously, but if you use Windows set text attribute, I just saw that over there. Look, it's an entire GetSTD handle. They have a built-in cross term. So we're using the window library. But it's a macOS too. See, I don't get why there's so much such a difference in software. I don't get. So I'm back and actually, you know what we should do? We should actually take this and say like public let OpenX OpenY, and OpenY is equal to Y, and it's public. And it's mutable also. maybe. So when we go up, we gotta make sure we never go into that text editor thing. So if line -1 is equal to the open y, then what we're gonna do essentially is we're gonna do nothing. Otherwise, we'll let this happen. And if you run this program, cannot find why this 115. Oh, so we actually need to do that. Now it should. Okay. Let's see. Reset this. We can still go in there. Okay, it doesn't block us. Maybe we can open Y. Maybe we could print these two out. And do the same. Okay. Then we'll do if they're equal. Oh, I get it. I get why. Essentially what we need to do is put it before. Right. Once we put it before, we can do that. Wait, it's supposed to not let us. Y, open Y. Cover run. Okay, I'm gonna just do this then. Okay, maybe then I should remove that. Yeah, it doesn't let me go. I cannot go. I cannot go there. On that left. Yeah, I cannot go. It cancels out all errors. Okay, we can. Backspace has no limits. Fix that. I'm not sure we care about that necessarily. I think so. So else. Oh wait, no. I put that in the wrong spot. We have to do and x is equal to 0. Actually, no. I'll just put that right over here. And the rest of it gets submerged inside of here. Okay, reset. Yeah, now we cannot backspace past that. cannot go down past the limit. We can't go up. Let me go up. Let me go up. To make it still work, I'm not gonna put in a line. See? Wait, what? I don't even think the X to Y is correct. Right. Could we destroy? Is there a way? Possibly destroy a variable in Rust. Yeah. So, cd mem drop. Okay. Alright. Nice to know, essentially. Why does not work? Does it work? Let's try again. Doesn't it still know, come on, that's disgraceful. You're supposed to know where we are. Naughty why? It doesn't even detect. Such a shameful thing. It won't even detect position. Actually, it might be able to. Let's check. Maybe it's just the enter. It doesn't enter very well. Do you even know what the A.out file is? I just want to directly run A.out. I just want to directly run A.out. So cd target /debug project. There we go. So that's essentially what it's running. That's what it would. What? It works there, but not. So just build. Just build. How about that? Maybe if we press. No. Wait. Okay, that's another problem that I noticed. But that's just a. Wow. Y is equal to open Y. From now on, Y minus 1 is equal to open Y. Haha. C // cargo build. This is again something I would have never realized, honestly. I would have never realized. Target debug. And we cannot. Okay, that's just no bounds. Maybe it's could it be Y plus 1 is equal to open Y? Cargo build. Not cargo on project. Oh, that gives it more. So I think it's supposed to be... Oh, it's supposed to be y minus 2. I think. Then, if we do cargo run, I feel like it'll like downright lose its insanity. Yeah, we can go wherever we want now. But if we go target debug, well, that still existed. Okay, I straight up ruined it. Okay, get the heck out of here. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna use cargo run. Cargo run. Cargo. ID. So I think the Y, I don't think it can detect enters. It does not know enters. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna recreate an instance. Yeah, we're gonna have more than now, obviously. That's sort of on purpose. That's why it's split into many tiny parts, if you've noticed. You're gonna notice it. Do you not notice things? Time to check out. Okay, I was gonna say it worked, but it doesn't. Doesn't detect the Y. I'm actually... You know what? Let's focus on elegancy first. This text editor, it's not centered. I don't like things that are not centered. Okay, I think it's like a costume terminal. There's some like size, right? Costume terminal size. Here. Will you look at that? So maybe we could say like size is equals size. So we don't need that. So if let width height is equal to size, tell us the width. What is it? Let's get this out of here. 97. As soon as I wrote that, I just... Wait, what? Maybe we could do light ln. Is that a thing? Like rather than... No, okay. So we gotta do it the way... that we need it. Also, I want to center it. Like, centering makes it more... just makes it look better, okay? So then we gotta let the string be empty. This will be the, I'll just say title. So I did some quick changes. Actually, if we run this, now it covers the entire screen. I added some new attributes, changed it to cyan. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. So I just changed like the style of it. You know? So now let's create an basic C program. The length bit of it. Basically, I think what we should be working on now is well, really the fact that I really forgot. I literally forgot what I was gonna say. So maybe we could do it so that we save something. Actually, one thing I've been thinking about is implementing the functionality of like a menu. Like we could do like a shell, edit, view, window, help, and we could just navigate this. Be like, and then press left and we'll go to view and like navigate it just like that, and we could have like shell, new file, all that. But I think that's maybe something we shouldn't work about right now. Let's just not think about it for now. Yeah, how about we do that? Because that's just like additional style things. We'll do that in a later video. But what we need to do is maybe when we exit it, like Nano, a lot of this is heavily inspired by Nano, notably. So like if we do like hello and we press Control X to exit, it gives us down here, like if you want to save the buffer. Like, do you want to save this? Yes or no? So maybe we could take in that and change position. So like we can take costume dot cursor move to, let's say, where we want to go to. I don't know, choose your place. Could like do like a public width and a public height, and we initialize those to 0. But then those are essentially these. So it's a public version of these. Right. Just let like could you just say width over here? Let's see. No, you cannot say that. Yeah, not found that scope. So have to do something like that. And then here say move to public width, public height, public height -3, -2. Then we have to do dot unwrap. And just to show that we're here, down there, say that. Right, essentially. Cannot assign twice to a mutable variable. Okay, I forgot to put mutable. I don't know why Rust has to make you like put mutable. Look, that's a pain. Let's go and see. Boom. Um, so preferably I would like to put it like -4. So like put it in like you see. So in Nano, if you just like do that, it says save modified buffer. So I'm gonna say save your code. Just a code editor primarily, but say you buffer. Saying no is unreleasable. Or maybe I could just say unreleasable. Maybe. Well, probably. I'm gonna take and in Control X, when Control X is pressed, I think maybe I'll change like the theme of this, so you can still change it to black and white, but I think cyan is more, I don't know, like naturally beautiful maybe. The thing is, as soon as you press X, it just breaks. Well, the point is sort of that, but still. Then we have to say like for I until public width minus whatever this is length is. Expected Okay. So let me set the position. Yeah, make this white. Make okay. How do you fix that problem? How do we fix it? Is it XY? Okay. Maybe it's like supposed to be like this. Gun. Yeah, that makes it all over the place, but it still gives us no. Is everything supposed to be like that? Like, is it supposed to be public height minus 2, 0, public height minus 2, 2, public height minus 3, 9, public height minus 2, 9. No, it's not. That makes it all. Lano. Easy. Like, could you wait some time? Like, wait some time before in Rust. SCD process command. SCD process command. Okay. So I think now it would work. Like, okay. So maybe move yes up one. I think so. 4, 3. Cargo run. Unclosed limit of what? So what the heck does that mean? What? Oh. Okay. Remove that. That's such a weird way of telling me though. Like, how would I figure that out? Okay, we need just one extra. So
Did you do your command?
Say we could move this to 9, 9. Let's. Yeah, that looks more. That looks more. But that cancel still needs another one. 10, 10, 12, 12. Yeah, see? Boom. Okay, I'll just click on the user input. Back at it. Essentially what it did is now when you press Control C, it gives you it gives you a couple of options. You can say Control C, which is no, Y, which is yes, and no, which is not men, which will close this. And necessarily, I have to enable raw mode again. The end of that. After this is done, if we enable raw mode again, everything should work. Like, yes. let's change it so that if they press yes, it like further prompts the user. So what would you like to name your file? So essentially what we need to do, I know last earlier I said that updated string would sort of be useless of an approach. Actually, I think it's probably the only one we have. Because I don't worry about memory now. And it will give us a lot more options. So first, let's create a mutable like cursor x. Cursor y. The vote be 0. Okay. And essentially now we have all the code to add the stuff to updated string. What we don't have is creating new strings and stuff like that. So like our enter works and everything, but we didn't work with left and right. So if it's normal, then we'll just do cursor y cursor x minus minus. Otherwise, I think we'll have to do cursor y minus minus cursor x is equal to 0. Not 0, but this. Alright. And we didn't create bounds for right for now, but I'll just say this x plus plus. Here we'll do cursor y minus minus. And here, gotta make this multiple lines. We'll do cursor y plus plus. Let's worry about backspace now. So one thing I don't know is if you like do something like this. Well, first of all, I know it wants, I think, like that. We cannot do that. I don't know why they do this. They just want to make life harder, but okay. Then we say plus equals x plus plus x minus 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 equals. So essentially what I'm going to check is if what? Subtract with overflow in the world. 156. Is it already easy? Oh, I forgot to modify. What if it's like a tab or anything? We have to add 1 to cursor x. Right, and whenever there's a tab, I think it's, we have to do that. Here we do, okay. So now if we run, we said cargo run, and we still have, haha, very funny, Rust compiler. so funny how it like gives us like things, but it won't actually fix it. Well, that's how it actually works, but like. Okay, my overall thought about Lisp compiler is that it's pretty nosy, but like it helps. Like it helps a lot. Then like in C, they would just say inclusive X is not defined, but then and I would automatically know like it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, the problem is you go even backspace. Backspace is all of that. So I need to find like a better way. Though not backspace like the entire line. Right, but for now, I don't care. So now what do we do with backspace? Backspace, I think, would put, in this case would do that, but in this case, this compiler is so fed up with me that I know when I made a mistake. In the case, cannot find updated. Okay, it's updated. Forgot the one character. So I'm gonna see if everything actually works. So how about around here we do like a print ln. Okay, so I think that's working. Move that. I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.